Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to take another look at Ikami. Ami is one of those coins that I really do believe in. I think there's a lot of potential behind it. Obviously, we only do videos about coins that we really believe in. So here you're pretty safe to rely on good coins with a solid foundation and a long-term potential. So therefore, I will say real quick, though, I am not a financial advisor. I will never give financial advice, so always do your own research. However, Ikami is definitely one of those that we see a long-term future in for many different reasons. We're going to take a look at the market cap first. At 1.6 billion, the volume in the last 24 hours sitting at 40.3 million, and the circulating supply at that 166.3 billion Ami. Ami right now is up 8.88% in the last 24 hours. Obviously, by the time this video uploads, this price will have changed just a little bit, hopefully. And hopefully for the better, as Ami is doing an amazing thing on the price charts. If you go to the last week alone, we saw a 26.3% increase. We saw it actually get all the way up to that 0.0134 mark, which is very solid. And obviously, we're seeing it now decrease quite a bit as it had quite a big jump. If you go to the month alone, you can see it jumped with a stabilization. Then you saw another huge double jump kind of to another attempted stabilization, and then obviously a dip. A lot of people saw the opportunity to make a lot of money, so they sold, and hopefully they are trying to buy back in now before it jumps right back up. I think Ikami is one of those that will continue to rise as we see a 1,558% increase over the last year alone. Ikami is going to continue on its way up because if we go to the website itself, there's a lot going on. Obviously, it comes to Uniswap in 7 days, 6 hours, 31 minutes, 52 seconds. There was a delay there, unfortunately. However, Vivi premium licensed digital collectibles is going to be huge, I believe. Vivi is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. With Vivi, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles, customize and showcase them in the virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell, or trade collectibles with other Vivi users, all from the palm of their hand. You can actually visit the website, and they actually show Ami tokens available. They actually tell you where they're going to be available and where they are currently available right there on the website. So if you have questions about that, you can go check that out. They also talk about their secure wallet with hundreds of millions of digital assets stolen each year. Keeping your digital currencies in private keys safe is now more important than ever. The secure wallet employs world-leading security, which is combined with ultra portability in a world-first credit card-sized cold storage hard wallet. So you can read more about the secure wallet here. You can visit the website and really get into it there. However, I want to go a little bit more into Ikami itself. Ikami is, like I said, a very interesting. You can actually you can actually see the pictures here of the actual app on a phone, and it's got a lot to it. I think this is one of those things where obviously cards are booming right now. If you didn't know, any kind of trading cards right now, whether it be sports or Pokemon or whatever else, they're all doing very well. This is just obviously NFT style where they are able to collect them on their phone digitally. However, the idea that they're still common, rare, and one-of-a-kind collectibles definitely makes that rarity aspect, and I think there will continue to be an increase or a surge of people wanting rarities, when it comes down to trading cards or digital collectibles. Obviously, if they do this right, it could be very big, as Vivi will continue to be a leader when it comes down to the app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles. I really do believe that. Let's take a look at the Ikami price chart one more time. We'll do a quick overview this time around, since we did do I think we did a little bit bigger of an overview 1 or 2 days ago, 3 days ago maybe. Ikami is definitely one of those that we will keep an eye on, because a lot of people do like to keep an eye on it as its volume is so low yet. So there's a lot of potential for a big growth. Obviously, the volume in the last 24 hours is only at that 40.3 million, and we're not even seeing it at 1 cent right now. If we refresh the page, let's see if we see a change at all. We do not. With the volume being this low, it probably shouldn't change much within the next, before this video comes out, it shouldn't change too much. But the market cap's at 1.6 billion and the circulating supply at 166.3 billion Ami. So Ami does have a lot of potential for a very big increase with these numbers. Obviously, that volume being so low, such a big impact can come and create very quickly. Obviously, that could be a bad thing as well. If some, whale is in Ikami and they take out all of their Ikami, you're going to be struggling right there. You're going to see a fairly large dip most likely. However, because of the low volume, you could also see an increase very fast as well. It's definitely possible. Ami is one of those coins that you really do either believe in or you don't, because it's got NFTs, and a lot of people believe NFTs are in a bubble right now. They will pop and they will, become literally useless. My idea on NFTs is they're going to be here for 100 to 200 years at the very least. I think NFTs are a big way of the future, and I think that maybe people don't understand the hype behind them, but the supply right now for NFTs, there's not enough NFTs out there. So the demand is way higher, obviously causing these to increase, these prices to be pretty, substantial. Obviously, if you've seen some of these NFTs selling for, millions of dollars and more than that even. So, Akami, I believe in what it is trying to do. I think the NFT space is going to stick around for quite some time. So I don't think they're doing anything dumb. I think this is long-term future. I think there's a long-term opportunity to invest in Akami. Obviously, I'll say it again. I am not a financial advisor. I will never give you guys financial advice. So always do your own research on these coins, and let me know in the comments if you guys agree with my price predictions. I'm going to give you my price predictions now for the end of March, April, in 2021. If we look at the price right now, if we bring up the 1 month, we're seeing an increase and we're seeing a stabilization. We saw an increase and an attempted stabilization that led to a dip, and now it's kind of around that area, and it's seeing if it can stabilize. Obviously, we see smaller jumps here through the 8 to 2 a.m. I think that's obviously going. What we can see, I guess, if we go to the year, is you can see it went from 93 cents to 97 cents in pretty much a full day there. So that's not much movement. It's definitely an increase, though, however, very slightly. I think more people are putting their money in right now, believing there is another increase coming, and I think that could be correct. I think with this month increase, I think that we could see Akami really get in March to that $12, $15 range, really catching up on some of what it lost here. If it got to that, $1.15, it could get to that 0.0115 range. And then obviously settling down at that 0.0112, we would see it still below that all-time high earlier in March. However, in April, I think we break that all-time high. We make its way in April to that 0.015 range. I think we could maybe stabilize at that 0.014145 maybe. And then obviously the end of 2021 would be the biggest as cryptocurrencies begin to obviously catch popularity, and obviously NFTs as well will continue, I would assume, to catch popularity as they continue to stick around and people understand they're here to stay. I think Akami won't be left behind. I think it'll be a 0.03, 0.04 coin by then for sure, with potential for much, much more. Like I always tell you guys, there is potential in all the coins that I go over. I really do believe in the potential behind them. So Akami is no different. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree with my price predictions, if you guys think they're a little low, they're a little high. Remember, I always like to stay a little conservative on these. I don't want to get swept away in the hype. So that may be why you guys, think they're a little low, but let me know why they're a little high, or, I would love to hear what you guys think about Akami as a coin overall. And then let me know as well if you guys have any coins you want me to take a look at. I definitely will try to take a look at everyone's coins. Obviously, there are a ton of coins, so I won't always be able to take a look at every coin. But just definitely let me know in the comments if there's a coin you want me to take a look at. Remember, guys, you can join our Discord community. It is in the description below. You can join the link and talk with everyone with like-minded ideas like yourself with crypto. And then you can also follow me on Twitter as well in the description below. Thank you guys for tuning in. Definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell if you want to get notified every time I make a new video so you can get that most recent up-to-date information. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you all in the next video.